In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a premium auto dealership website with Claude 3.7 Sonnet. We'll keep this simple, precise, and focused on a luxury result. Start by opening a Claude account on the official platform. Create your account securely, then sign in. Once you're in, make sure you're using the Claude 3.7 Sonnet model for the best balance of speed, reasoning, and code quality. Now you're ready to enter your prompt. Accuracy is everything here, so paste a clear, detailed request in one message. Tell Claude that you are building a premium luxury auto dealership website. Include your business details. The business type is a luxury auto dealership. The name is Apex Elite Motors, and it's based in Cebu City, Philippines. Specify the target customers as high-income individuals, enthusiasts, and executives seeking premium vehicles. List the services: new and pre-owned luxury car sales, financing, trade-ins, test drive bookings, and concierge services. Highlight the unique selling points: an exclusive vehicle collection, a premium customer experience, personalized service, and high-end branding. Ask Claude to produce a sleek, modern, high-converting website structure with pages like home, inventory, about, services, financing, and contact. Request persuasive, SEO-optimized copy tailored for luxury branding. Instruct it to provide clean, responsive HTML, CSS, and optional JavaScript with premium design elements such as smooth animations, car showcase galleries, and strong call-to-action sections for inquiries and bookings. Ask for a sophisticated color palette, typography, and branding style that signal luxury and trust. Include a basic local SEO plan with keywords, meta descriptions, and headings. Make it clear the site must be mobile-friendly, fast-loading, and optimized for conversions. Optionally, request a vehicle listing system, inquiry forms, a test drive booking flow, and Google Maps integration. Finally, ask it to label everything clearly and present the output ready to use. Once your prompt is ready, press enter and wait patiently while Claude generates the full deliverable. This may take a moment. Avoid interrupting the response so it can complete the code blocks and copy. When the output appears, review the structure, the tone of the copy, and the design recommendations. If something needs refinement, like adjusting the color palette, enhancing animations, or tightening CTAs, ask for revisions in the same chat so it iterates without losing context. You can copy the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript into your editor to preview locally and verify the layout is responsive on mobile, tablet, and desktop. If performance needs a boost, request image optimization tips and streamlined CSS from Claude.